Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Today I would like to explain some important questions which are present in various competitive type of examinations, mainly Ancq, an international chemistry quiz. So it is conducted by Royal Australian Chemistry Institute. These questions are from various what you call Ancq old question papers. First question. So here atom of different elements have different masses naturally. So he's explaining what one atom is equals to what. One atom of helium is equals to 4 atoms of hydrogen. Yes, it is equal. Then one atom of lithium is equals to one atom of helium and 3 atoms. Yes, mass is equal. Why here? Helium mass is 4 and 1, total 7. Mass is 7. Then here one atom of nitrogen is equals to 2 atoms of lithium. Yes, that is also equal. Now, one atom of nitrogen mass is given and oxygen mass is also given. So he is asking which one is correct. Suppose if we'll go through A option. A, oxygen atomic mass is 16. That is equals to one atom of lithium, that is that is 7, then one atom of helium. Now you tell me both are equal, because this total weight is 11, then here 16. Both are equal? No, they are not equal. Then we'll go for next option. Then oxygen mass that is 16 is equal to one atom of nitrogen, and nitrogen mass is 14, plus helium, one atom of helium, that is 4. Total how much? 18. Now it is equal, 18 to is equals to 16. No, that is not equal. Then we'll go for what? C option. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. That is equals to helium 4, then 2 lithium. Lithium is 7, mass is 7, and here 2 lithium atoms are there. Then 7 plus 7, 14, plus 4, 18. Now it is equal? No, they are not equal. Then we'll go for next option, that is D. Then oxygen atomic number is 16. That is equals to nitrogen 14 plus 2 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen 1, then hydrogen another one. Now here total mass is 14 plus 1 plus 1. Total 16. Yes, it is equal. 16, 16 equal. So that is why option is D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Good, because mass of oxygen is 16, then nitrogen is 14, then 2 hydrogen atoms are there, then means 1 plus here 1 plus 1 plus 14, total 16. Yes, that is equal. So that is why here what happened? Option D is the right answer. Thank you. Next question. So here, law of conservation of mass, it is given. In an experiment, X, metal X, that is 54 grams. So here was completely reacted with 54 grams of steam. Okay, good. Steam means water that is in the form of gaseous state. Then that is gives rise to, you will get X2O3 plus hydrogen gas liberated. Then here 6 grams of hydrogen is liberated. Now is asking X is to oxygen. How many times is asking, approximately how many times heavier than an oxygen atom is an atom of metal X. Then we'll see X2O3, we don't know the weight, put X. Generally we know that here the mass of reactants, so in the first we'll do balancing, then here 3 moles, yes exactly 3, then here 2, then here 3 2s are 6, then 3 2s are 6, okay. Then total mass is 108 because 54, then 54, total 108. According to law of conservation of mass of the reactants is equals to mass of the products. Indirectly, the mass of the products, that is X2O3 as well as hydrogen, it must be 108 grams. It is equal to what reactants? Okay. Then here already 6 grams of hydrogen is liberated. Means what? So here 102 grams, because 102 plus 6 grams you will get 108. Then indirectly, not directly, here X2O3 is equal to 102 grams from this information. Okay. Then here 2 into X, you don't know, plus 3 into 16 indirectly. So here 102. Then calculate X. Then here 102 minus 48. Then indirectly you will get 48 means 2 plus what do you call 54. Okay. Then here X is equals to 54 divided by 2. You will get 27 grams. So here is asking how many times is greater. Here X is here 27 grams, oxygen is 16 grams. Now you tell me how many times it is greater. That is approximately 1.7 times. So here answer is B is the right answer. Next, so like this, first, based on law of conservation of mass, indirectly mass of the reactants is equals to mass of the products. Indirectly X2O3 is equals to what? 102 plus 6 is nothing but 108 grams. So from this you calculate X. X is equals to 27. So 27 grams of X is present and 16 grams of oxygen. Finally 1.7 times it is greater. So is asking how many times. Indirectly answer is 1.7 times. Answer is B. Thank you. Next question. Here trinitrotoluene. Here formula is given, that is C7H5 then N3O6. So it is gives rise to 2 moles of C plus 12 moles of CO plus 5 moles of H2 plus 3 moles of N2. Then similarly here C7H5 then N3O6, we can call it as TNT. This is also 2 reactions. It gives what? 2 type of reactions will takes place. Okay, H2O plus 3N2. So from these 2 reactions we observe that here only differ between, this is it contains H2 as well as it contains H2O. So anyway, so assume that only two reactions occurring 100 molecules of TNT, trinitrotoluene. Indirectly, the total molecules of these two reactions is nothing but 100 molecules. So here producing 50 molecules of H2. So here what happened? 50 molecules, 50 molecules of H2 is produced. How many molecules of CO gas are also produced? He is asking what a carbon monoxide. But carbon monoxide means both the reactions contains carbon monoxide. How you have to do? So we have to proceed based on this information. It is given information is only what is that 50 molecules of H2 is given, that's all. So here generally we'll go for this one. First reaction means this one. Here two molecules, generally two molecules of TNT, that is nothing but trinitrotoluene, is equal to 5 molecules of H2 is produced. Initially I am calculating. So here this is the relation. Which one? Here this is the relation between water H2 as well as TNT. Why? Here 2 is there now, so I am taking this one 2, and here 5 molecules. 2 molecules gives water, 5 molecules of water. 2 molecules gives 5 molecules of H2. Okay. Then here 50 molecules of H2 gives how much? Then indirectly 2 into 50 divided by 5. Then here you will get 20 molecules of TNT is required. First question is, it is nothing but what? 20 molecules, 20. Okay. Then here after that second reaction is total molecule is what? 100. 100 minus 20, it is nothing but what? 80. So here 80, because total is 100 na. So that is why first TNT molecules are 20, second is 80. Then we'll go further. Generally based on the reaction. So we want what beta? We want only carbon monoxide. Now we'll compare with the carbon monoxide. Based on the reaction, two molecules, first reaction, two molecules of TNT, it produces 12 molecules of CO. So here already based on this, what happened from this, we got what? 20 molecules. So 20 molecules of TNT produces how much? So here 20 into 12 divided by 2. It is nothing but you will get a 120 molecules of CO. Okay, first reaction. Then we'll go for second reaction. Based on the chemical reaction, two molecules of TNT is equals to 7 molecules of CO. Then here 80 molecules of TNT is equals to how much? Then 80 into 7 divided by 2. Indirectly 2 ones are 2, 4s are 40. Then indirectly 280 of molecules of CO is produced. Then indirectly here 120 plus 280, it is nothing but 400 molecules of water CO is produced. So here our best answer is 400 molecules of carbon monoxide. Indirectly answer is B. How you got here? First initially 2 molecules of TNT produces 5 molecules of what? H2. Then here based on the given information 50 molecules of H2 gives how much? Indirectly 20 TNT. So here 20 TNT. Indirectly what a total is? How many? Here total what? 100. Means 20 means 100 minus 20 you will get 80. So based on the chemical reaction number 1, first reaction. So 2 molecules of TNT produces 12 molecules of CO. Then 20 TNT gives how much? Then here you will get a 120. Then here 80 molecules of, so here 2 molecules of TNT gives 7 molecules of CO. How you got? Based on the chemical reaction number 2. Then 80 molecules gives how much? So 280 molecules of CO. So like this, finally, why both the reaction, first reaction and second reaction produces what? A CO. So that is why here what happened, it gives rise to what? A 400 molecules of CO. So finally you will get a 400 because both the reactions produces carbon monoxide. So that is why answer is B. Okay. Next, here an ion, it contains whatever it may, suppose X contains 9 protons, because generally atomic number is equal to number of protons is always constant. So here atomic number 9, number of neutrons, it is nothing but 9 plus 11 neutrons, means protons plus what? Neutrons is equals to mass number. So here indirectly you will get a mass number is 20. So mass of this element is, or ion is 20. But here generally atomic number is equals to number of electrons as well as number of protons. So this is also equal, means atomic number 9, this is equals to 9 and this is also 9. But here it contains 10 electrons, means you have to add 1 electron. Indirectly it contains 10, means you have to add, means it is receiving, means X is by accepting 1 electron you will get X minus 1. So here charge is X minus 1. So our answer is what? C is the right answer, because here 1 extra electron is there. 1 extra electron when compared to protons, 1 extra electron means you have to add 1 electron. So we will get what? X minus 1. So your answer is what? C. Similarly, here N2 Haber's process, this is very important reaction. Generally Haber's process, this is known as, means nitrogen gas react with a hydrogen gas. So dynamic equilibrium, it gives rise to NH3. Then here 2 moles of NH3 is formed. Then here 100 molecules, generally 100 molecules, based on the information, 100 molecules of N2 react with 300 molecules of what? H2. It is given. Okay, no problem. So in what? Sealed in a container. After some time, the mixture in the container analyzed and it contains 40 molecules, means in the container 40 molecules are what happened? Present. So how many molecules of H2 as well as N3 were present in the container? So how many H2 is asking, how many H2, this is question, and here how many NH3 are present, this is our question. So generally a chemical reaction means what beta? Reactants are react with each other to form products. That is the chemical reaction. So here 100 molecules react with 300 molecules naturally to form the respective products. But here based on the information 40 molecules are present in the container, means what happened? Indirectly, not directly, here only 60 molecules are reacted. This is very important beta. Only 60 molecules are reacted. So 40 molecules are what happened? Unreacted. Unreacted because they are present in the container. They are present in the container. So that is why what happened? 40 molecules of N2 what happened? They are unreacted. Only 60 molecules are reacted. Generally 1:3 ratio, because 1 mole required 3 moles. Indirectly what happened? Here 60 moles required how many? 180. Why? 6 3s are 18. So 180 molecules. Indirectly what happened? 180 molecules of H2 is reacted. But how many hydrogen molecules are present? 300. 300 minus 180, how much you will get? 120. So here hydrogen is 120. Unreacted, they are present in the container. Means these are reactants. If 100% reaction will takes place, means these must be react in the reaction. 40 molecules of N2 react with 120 molecules of H2. Then what about this one N2 beta? So here 1 mole of nitrogen required or released or produced. So here 2 moles of ammonia. 1:2 ratio, because 60 molecules of N2 reacted, means indirectly not directly 1:2 means 120 molecules of ammonia were produced. So here 120 molecules of H2 and 120 molecules of NH3. Why? These are the products naturally it contains in the container. So unreacted 40 molecules of N2, unreacted 120 molecules of N2 H2, then 120 molecules of products are present. Our answer is C is the right answer. He is asking regarding hydrogen as well as what beta? Hydrogen as well as ammonia. This is about what beta? Chemical reaction. How many molecules are present in that container? Okay. So this is about what? Regarding Haber's process. How many molecules are present and H2 and NH3. So this is about what? JMR chemistry. These questions are from ANCQ. So here an international chemistry quiz, Royal Australian Chemistry Institute. These generally they'll conduct every year. These questions are from ANCQ. So this is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Thank you.